This is the video I'm going to show you how to create using CapCut. Looks pretty professional, right? But here's the good news. It's actually much easier than it looks, even if you've never edited a video before. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step, starting with importing your footage, adding smooth motion to your images, creating captions, adding effects and sound, and putting everything together into a polished video just like the one you're seeing right now. No editing experience, no complicated techniques. All you have to do is open CapCut and follow along with me. So, how do we create a video like this? Let's get started. Want to create a scrolling news ticker at the bottom of your videos just like you see on TV news broadcasts? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make it in CapCut with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, create a new project in CapCut. Then click Import and bring in the video you want to edit. Drag it down to the timeline. This will be the video we'll use to create our scrolling news ticker. Now it's time to create the background bar for the ticker. From the left toolbar, click Stickers, then search for a simple rectangle. Add the rectangle to your project and drag it to the bottom of the video. Stretch it so it spans the entire width of the frame. Next, adjust the height of the rectangle so it's just tall enough for a single line of text. Then, reduce its opacity to around 60 to 80%. This keeps the background from looking too dark, while still allowing the text to stand out clearly. After that, change the color of the rectangle. I'm using a dark blue because it gives the video a professional TV news look. You can also use red, blue, or your own brand color. Just make sure the background is dark enough for white text to remain easy to read. Now let's add the text for the ticker. Click Text, choose Add Text, and type the message you want to display. I'll use white text with a clean, easy-to-read font. Then adjust the font size so it fits nicely inside the background bar. Next, drag the text down and place it in the center of the ticker bar. Fine-tune the position by moving it up or down until it sits perfectly in the middle. Be sure to leave enough space between the text and the edges of the bar so everything stays clean and readable, especially on mobile devices. Now for the most important part, making the text scroll from right to left, just like a real news ticker. First, select the text layer and move the playhead to the beginning of the clip. Drag the text completely off the right side of the screen, then add a keyframe to save its starting position. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the scrolling animation to end. Drag the text all the way off the left side of the screen. CapCut will automatically create a smooth animation between the two keyframes. Now, press play to preview the result. As you can see, the text scrolls smoothly from right to left, just like the ticker you see on television news programs. If the text is moving too fast, simply increase the time between the two keyframes to slow it down. If you want it to move faster, shorten the distance between the keyframes. For the best viewing experience, keep the scrolling speed slow enough for viewers to comfortably read the entire message. It's also a good idea to keep your text short, clear, and easy to understand instead of trying to fit too much information into a single scrolling line. Finally, extend the background bar so it stays visible for as long as you need. Whenever you want to display a different message, simply create another text layer and enter the new content. And that's it. With just a few simple steps in CapCut, you've created a professional-looking scrolling news ticker for your videos. Now, want to create a professional movie credit rolling text effect like this without relying on pre-made templates? Today, I'm going to show you how to use keyframes to manually control the rolling speed for a super smooth result right here in CapCut. First, type out your entire list of text into a single text box and center it on the screen. Then, drag out the duration of the text layer on your timeline to match however long you want it to run. Next, move your playhead to the very beginning of the text clip. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe icon. After that, drag the entire text box all the way down off the bottom of the screen until the text is completely hidden. Now, move your playhead to the final second of the text clip. Drag the text box straight up toward the top until all the content scrolls completely past the frame. CapCut will automatically drop a second keyframe right there for you, and you're done. Just hit play and enjoy the final result. Using this method, you can easily speed up or slow down the scrolling text however you like just by extending or trimming the text clip on your timeline. Want to make your videos feel more alive and grab your viewers' attention from the very first second? The right music can completely change the mood and emotion of your entire video. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your videos using CapCut. It's extremely simple, even if you're just getting started. First, add the video clips or images you want to use in your project and finish your basic editing. Next, click Import to select your favorite music file from your computer and add it to your CapCut media library. Now, simply drag the music file down to the timeline and place it where you want it. Click the play button to preview the music. If the music is too loud, adjust the volume so it sounds balanced and doesn't overpower the main audio in your video. For this example, I'll lower the volume slightly. Then, play the video again to make sure the volume feels just right. And here's a small but very important tip. At the end of your video, you don't want the music to stop suddenly. Instead, add a fade-out effect so the music gradually becomes quieter toward the end. This makes the ending sound much smoother and more professional. Once you're finished, watch the entire video from beginning to end and make sure the visuals, background music, and other audio work well together. Finally, click Export. Give your video a name, choose the appropriate resolution, and click Export again to save your video. And that's it. With just a few simple steps in CapCut, you can turn an ordinary video into something more lively, emotional, and engaging. Give it a try in your next video. If you enjoyed this CapCut tutorial and want to see more video editing tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lessons. You can download CapCut using the link in the description below and start practicing right away. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.